Homeowners in Taylor, MI are always looking for smart ways to enhance comfort, energy efficiency, and overall home appeal. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing new patio doors. More than just an entryway to your backyard or deck, modern patio doors dramatically improve natural light and ventilation, transforming how your home looks and feels every day. Brighten your living space. Natural light has the power to completely change a room. Patio doors feature large glass panels that allow sunlight to pour into your living spaces, making them feel larger, warmer, and more inviting. In Taylor, where winters can be long and gray, maximizing daylight becomes even more valuable. Extra sunlight during colder months can help brighten your mood and reduce reliance on artificial lighting. By replacing outdated, smaller doors or solid back doors with expansive sliding or French patio doors, you instantly open up your space. Living rooms, dining areas, and kitchens benefit most from this transformation. Instead of feeling closed off, your home feels airy and connected to the outdoors. Additionally, natural light highlights your interior design. Furniture, flooring, and decor appear more vibrant and true to color. It's a simple upgrade that delivers a noticeable visual impact. Improve energy efficiency while letting light in. Some homeowners worry that larger glass doors might affect energy efficiency. However, modern patio doors are designed with advanced insulation technology. Double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames help regulate indoor temperatures while still allowing abundant sunlight inside. In Taylor's climate, where summers can be humid and winters chilly, energy-efficient patio doors help maintain consistent comfort. During the winter, they can allow passive solar warmth into your home. In summer, proper glazing helps block excessive heat while still maintaining brightness. The result? A well-lit home that doesn't sacrifice energy savings. Enhanced fresh air circulation. Ventilation is just as important as lighting. Patio doors significantly improve airflow, especially during Michigan's beautiful spring and fall seasons. Sliding patio doors, French doors, or folding patio doors create wide openings that allow fresh air to circulate freely throughout your home. When paired with windows on the opposite side of the house, patio doors help create cross-ventilation. This natural airflow reduces indoor stuffiness, removes odors, and lowers humidity levels. It can also decrease your dependence on air conditioning during mild weather, saving on energy costs. Fresh air improves indoor air quality, which is especially beneficial for families with pets, children, or allergy sensitivities. Simply opening your patio doors for a short time each day can refresh your entire living space. Seamless indoor-outdoor living. Taylor homeowners often enjoy backyard barbecues, patios, and outdoor entertaining spaces. Patio doors create a smooth transition between indoors and outdoors. Large glass panels provide clear views of your yard year-round, even when the doors are closed. This connection to nature enhances relaxation. Watching snowfall in winter or greenery in summer from the comfort of your couch adds a sense of calm and openness. When hosting guests, patio doors allow easy movement between the kitchen and outdoor seating areas, making gatherings more convenient. The combination of better lighting and airflow creates a living space that feels less confined and more expansive, perfect for modern lifestyles. Increase home value and curb appeal. Upgrading to new patio doors doesn't just improve comfort, it also boosts your home's value. Buyers are drawn to homes with bright interiors and good ventilation. Stylish patio doors add architectural interest and modern appeal, both inside and out. In competitive housing markets like Taylor, MI, these upgrades can make your home stand out. Whether you choose sleek sliding doors for a contemporary look or elegant French doors for classic charm, the improvement is both functional and visually impressive. A simple upgrade with lasting benefits. Installing new patio doors is a straightforward home improvement that delivers multiple benefits at once. More natural light, better airflow, improved energy efficiency, enhanced outdoor access, and increased property value, all from one upgrade. For homeowners in Taylor, MI, Patio Doors offer a practical way to brighten interiors, enjoy fresh Michigan air, and create a more comfortable, welcoming home. If you're looking for a change that makes a noticeable difference every single day, upgrading your patio doors may be the perfect solution.